Are you eating your food? Your crackers? Are you eating your crackers? They're so yummy. Is it a yummy cracker? Do you have food still on your face? Do you have food still on your face from dinner, from lunch? Mmm, delicious. Are there more? Mmm. Is that Kiki down there? Yeah? You're not going to talk for me? You want a drink? Do you want somebody to get a drink? Is your mouth full? Is that what's going on? Did this morning we find a new tooth? Do we have 7 now? 7? That's so crazy. Got a mouthful of tooth-pins. Want some drink? You want to drink? Try the drink first. Look at you. You can drink it. Mmm. Such a big boy. Drink it out of him sippy cup. Such a big boy. We don't really like to hold it ourselves, huh? Yeah. Mmm, yummy. Juice water. Juice water. And crackers, yummy. Can you drink it yourself? Not so much, just play with it. Maybe crush with some crackers. Am I messing with your foot? Okay. There you go. Uh-oh. Cracker casualty. Uh-oh. It's upside down. It's upside down. Say, I love you, Daddy. Alright, yeah, yeah. Daddy? Can you say Daddy? Can you say Daddy? Not so much. Oh, that's how our juice comes out. Alright, say bye-bye, Daddy. I love you. Alright, bye-bye. Easy, Kiki. Easy, Kiki. Yes. There's a Kiki. Alright. I love you. I love you. I love you. He doesn't care. Ah, strap. Fun, fun. Oh, you want more? More? You want more? More? Yeah? More? More crackers? Yeah. More? More? Yeah? Okay. I love you. I love you, Jen Jen. I love you so much. Okay, bye-bye.